Jesus Christ. Oh my goodness. Don't let her down now. She's gonna crack and fall into pieces.
Got the key.
Oh! Hey all you horror fans and horror geeks. Welcome to the Chop Block, the only block where the horror community can come together to sit back, relax, and enjoy the genre. I'm your host, Ashton Austin, and I hope you'll chill with me as I dive into cinema's most unique genre, providing screams and scares for decades. So to all my final boys and of course my final girls, grab your coat hangers, grab your knives, and of course your guns. Because I hate to be the one to tell you this, but you're next on the Chop Block. Welcome back to the Chop Block. Today we are watching Saw 3. On last week we watched, well not last week, but earlier in the week we watched Terrifier 3, which is doing amazing. So I am so extremely happy you guys are enjoying that reaction. My Saw 2 recording got lost. I apologize so deeply. I watched it all, but Detective Matthews, he didn't follow the rules. His son was in the safe. Y'all, I had so much fun with that movie. The video would have been so good. I'm sorry. It hurts me. It really does hurt me when I lose footage. But, yeah, unfortunately the footage is lost. But that won't stop us from continuing to do what we do here on the Chop Block. So with no more time being wasted, let the games begin. Twisted Pictures, nothing's new. Twisted Pictures, nothing's new.
Game over.
Oh, and of course Amanda took over. Amanda took over. That's the one thing. I had a feeling throughout the whole movie. She seemed too calm. That needle scene was crazy. I just talked to y'all through this intro. He got trapped at the end. He should have just followed the rules. Jigsaw is a villain. I disagree with the premonition that he is not a killer. He's a killer, but he is a killer of rule, and if you succeed in the rules, you shouldn't die. Okay, is he trying to pull something? What is he trying to pull? And it looks like Jigsaw is about to die. There's 10 of these films, from what I know, and the 11th on the way. And I continue to see Tobin Bell at the center of them, so I don't know how they making up. Daniel is alive. That's the worst part of it, is that he think his son is dead when in reality his son was in that safe and the police found him. Oh. Back to square one. Oh yeah. We've seen this. We've seen this show before. I'm so sorry, Detective Matthews. We've seen this show before. Go ahead and throw it or take it to the skin. Oh yeah, the big guy. Yeah, the big guy. And Dr. Gordon's foot. Oh, you understand it now. Like Lethal Shooter. That man say any means necessary for his baby. Now, Dr. Gordon was not on this type of time, and I'm just saying. Never mind. That's real though. That's real. That's real. That's real. He had to rethink that. He had to rethink that. This game has already been solved, right? So it's like there's no way he's going to survive. It feels like Jigsaw merely stuck him in there to die. Oh! 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 Stop. Okay, it's go. Oh! Oh my God, I don't know. This worse than sawing it off. Just so much squelching and squashing and oh my goodness. Oh, he just slid it right on off. Oh, well, he's a cop. Okay, so is Tap dead? Does Jigsaw have a new foe in Detective Matthews? Is Tap dead? Okay, did they find him? Okay, where are they at? Oh, they got on the gas mask. Are they back at this house from Saw 2? That's that black cop, should be. And they had the lady cop. I'm trying to remember names. Yeah, that's him. Where is Tap?
Oh my God.
What?
Someone call Carrie.
Is it him? Eric, is it him?
What?
We don't know.
What happened? I know it felt like she was kind of sweet on Detective Matthews.
It's not Detective Matthews.
Oh Lord. What in the Freddy Krueger nightmare is this?
Hello, Troy. I want to play a game.
And we're back.
This game will take place in a room not much bigger than the room you've spent most of your life in. Prison cell. Despite all of the advantages and privileges that you were given at birth, you have returned to prison again and again.
So you're not taking advantage
That you are in freedom.
of the privilege you have.
We will see how far you are willing to go to break
Okay.
those chains once and for all.
You better break every chain like Tasha Cobbs.
Make your choice.
I'm intrigued to see how you die. Is that a bomb? Is that a bomb? Wait. A bomb seems like a harmless way to go out.
All he had to do was release himself from each of the chains
Easier said than done, pal.
before it went off.
But she should have known if she, no, it's her fault. She's supposed to be like the Dr. Loomis of Jigsaw and didn't know that if you follow the rules, the game shall pass. Oh, he's so smug. I like that he starts every video with the side profile.
I want to play a game among the dead, piecing together their final moments. Good at this because you, like them, are also dead on the inside.
What's wrong with Carrie?
You identify more with a cold corpse than you do with a living human.
She's just doing her job.
And your true family, indeed your only family. But do it quickly. The acid will dissolve the key in a matter of seconds. Make your choice.
We gotta reach in. Reach in, take that key, Carrie. We can't lose you, Carrie. Carrie, you know good and well he done thought this all the way through, girl. So we need to reach in and grab the key. We're gonna die. You're a cop. We gotta have some type of pain tolerance. I know it's acid. Can't. Just reach in. Just hiss. Just a hiss. Ah. I don't know if I can do it, y'all. The slow route is not the route. Oh Lord. Oh my God. Carrie, come on. We gotta get the key. All right, put it in our other hand so we don't drop it. Get that out of you. Get that out of you. Are they cheating the game? Wait a minute, Amanda. What? Carrie is dead. Carrie is unfairly dead, and I don't particularly like the movies if we're not keeping the rules intact. I don't at all. It's two decorated homicide detectives missing. Oh! Y'all, that's why I can't chew nothing while I'm watching this. I've been unchoked. See, look at this. Jigsaw was never walking around with... Jigsaw wasn't doing this stuff. I mean, he did slit Tap neck in the first movie. But other than that, Jigsaw don't do nothing to people. like this.
Lawrence Gordon was your doctor.
I was his patient and he was mine.
What?
There's no preventative treatment for what you have.
I remember you saying that to me once before in almost that exact same tone. Leave it to a doctor to find such a cold, clinical way of saying I'm a dead man walking.
That's just how it go?
How long did you say I have left?
I'd have to examine you. Even then, a frontal lobe tumor is unpredictable. The growth depends on the rate of mitosis versus apoptosis, and
I'm sorry, but is all this crude medical equipment around me causing you to believe that you're still inside a hospital?
no.
Then why are you speaking to me in that graduate school medical jargon?
Tobin Bell, though. Tobin Bell. Tobin Bell. I was just giving him that round of applause, y'all. He good. He good. That boy bad. So saw another franchise that looks like it's supposed to be a trilogy, just from what I can see and feel, but obviously the IP was far too great to just be a trilogy. And we're already at Saw X. But this would I could imagine back in the day, this was probably well, I don't know if it was, I'm not gonna say it's a great final installment, but it's pretty decent so far. You gotta, yeah, there you go. You gotta channel something. You gotta channel some type of Karate Kid, Mr. Miyagi type of, oh my lord! Well, there's test number one. Who? What? Huh? How? Who?
Fucking killed my son. Don't you fucking beg.
Oh.
You know who I am.
Oh. Okay, Ghostface Jr.
Teacher, you motherfucker.
Why every time? I guess it's something so cynical about whispering or talking very, very low. Cause then it, this man is like insane, psycho. I get it, but you know, who? What? Huh? So we have kids, we have daughters?
Where is it? Where is it?
What? Where's what?
Times.
Open the door, Jeff. All right. We're in it. We're in it. I don't like you at all. Not one bit. All right. This bitch thinks she a mastermind. You are not John.
I need you to look at my nose. Right here. Look at my nose, please. Only my flashlight.
Oh, he not doing good.
My 22nd analysis without any medical equipment is that his brain's herniating.
Okay.
He needs to go to the hospital and have an operation to decompress his brain.
No. No, no.
Let me ask you something. Oh, God! Did I bring John to you? Or did I bring your self-centered ass to him? Now you better start fucking paying attention. No one's going to any hospital.
Amanda, I got a problem with you. Amanda's nothing like
More
John,
miracles.
and I don't like it.
You're giving him painkillers. For a tumor like this, he needs steroids, prednisone.
Oh, good, yeah.
Maybe we could try some corticosteroids, you know, like dexamethasone. Or you can fucking tell me something that I don't know, stupid cunt.
Oh, terrible delivery. I'm sorry, y'all. It was terrible delivery.
He's in a hospital. Or else he's gonna die.
Amanda. The doctor can't do what's being asked of her. If you're threatening her,
Exactly.
our game have been made very clear. You need to abide by those rules.
Thank you, John. Thank you, John. I told y'all she was playing the rules wrong. No. Help us.
Amanda! Amanda, I need your help! Amanda, he needs oxygen! Oxygen, Amanda!
Like, do you want me to die? Give him the oxygen! She's built this unhealthy emotional attachment to John. He's gonna die, Amanda.
What are you doing? Ativan! You have Ativan! No!
We need something!
Back off! Back off!
Stay with me, John. You're almost through this.
Oh, come on. Come on, John. We need something.
We're almost done with this.
He stabilized. Amanda, you're not cut out for this. Now, why would you build this unhealthy attachment to a cancer patient? To a cancer patient. It's like going to a butchery. It's like going to a butcher warehouse.
You ready to go to the hospital now?
It's like going...
He needs to have an operation.
For the past 3 years, you've cursed the name of all those you thought were responsible for the death of your son.
Okay.
Decides those accountable will pay.
Okay.
Well, you will find a woman in front of you, chained in place. This
Okay.
will prevent her from running, much like she did on the day your son was hit.
What? What?
Her name is Danica Scott. She was the only witness present at the scene of your son's untimely demise.
Jeff, don't do it.
Can grant her the gift of life before she freezes to death. Behind the pipes on the back wall, you will find the key that will free her and bring you one step closer to the man responsible for the loss of your child. Will you claim the key to
I don't like
yourself?
when he hangs stuff from chains.
Or can you find it within you to save another? Make
Two wrongs don't make a right. Oh, that's not right. That's sick. He's spraying water on her. You didn't do anything. Okay.
You didn't do anything.
Okay. See? That's the route you don't take, ma'am. Now I wouldn't even let you out. No, I'm just playing.
My 8-year-old son died in my arms.
Let her out. Let her out, Jeff. I know, Jeff, I know, but come on. We have all these avoidable deaths that just keep happening.
I'm so sorry. I'm human. I'm human just like your son was. Okay.
Jeff, let her out. This is torture. So, like, what's back there? Oh, it's just... Alright. He can't reach it. He can't reach it. Oh my goodness. Don't let her down now. She's gonna crack and fall into pieces. Is it hot? Is it cold? What is it? Oh, cause you'll... Ah, Lord have mercy. Okay. Okay. If you were gonna take the pain after she died, it was no point. This wasn't you, Jeff. That's not you, Jeff. I like to believe that wasn't you, Jeff. You let that lady die. You let that lady die. You didn't act quick enough. You let your own personal thoughts get in the way of you just saving another life.
I know it's hard to concentrate when you're surrounded by so many things you could kill me with.
Oh.
This acid right now.
Oh, wow.
Take it. Please, it's yours. I go for the neck, but I'm not the brain surgeon. Just do it quietly so John doesn't hear me die. Otherwise, he's likely to get upset, rip off his heart rate monitor. Then, you just have to find the sensor and disarm it so you can walk more than 30 feet out that door without the collar detonating. Or, you could try and take the collar off yourself. That could be tricky. Slightest knock in the wrong place could trigger it.
Oh.
I should know. I built it.
Oh. You and that thing. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him, just as sick as they come. Just as sick as they come. He always made that with Amanda in mind. So how did he kidnap Amanda is my question.
Hello, Amanda. You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game.
Oh, yeah?
There is only one key.
Yep. Saw 1. Let's just take a trip back to Saw 1 and see some things from a different point of view. Amanda did what had to be done to live. I give her credit. A lot of people don't.
Live or die. Make your choice.
Live or die. She didn't even think. She didn't hesitate. Oh, you say it's just in this guy who can't do anything to save himself? I'm stabbing him.
You are still alive. Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore.
Amanda,
What?
do not be afraid. Your life has just begun.
What? Oh, it's an animatronic. It's an animatronic. Okay. Time to let go. Alright now. Stop all the games. This Saw film doesn't feel like it has as much comedy relief as the other two. And I don't know if it's for the better, honestly. I enjoyed the comic relief, especially in the first one. That candle's about done. Where are you? Where are you? This is fake. This is fake. This is fake.
I know you're there, please. Please help me.
Sir, if I could, I would.
I can hear you, please.
If I could, I would. Oh my God, he getting on my nerves.
Don't just stand there, help me.
Is that the guy?
Jeff, when the judge presiding over your case sentenced your boy's murderer so lightly, your soul never recovered. Now
The
you
judge.
have the power to sentence his soul straight to hell. Or you can forgive. The key that will free him is hidden inside your son's possessions. Possessions you have clung to for far too long. Now if you flip the switch on the incinerator underneath you, a fire will cleanse you of this obsession and destroy them all, leaving only the key remaining.
Oh my goodness, that's gross. How many pig carcasses does he have? I can't. Terrifier and Saw are two movies that should not be dropped in the same week. I'm spoiling y'all, truthfully. Oh, he don't even remember him. Yeah, screw him.
You remember Timothy Young?
He don't. Judges don't care for real. They don't care. They don't care at all. At all.
He was the driver who killed my son.
I can see that you're in a great deal of pain, but there are ways that we can have his sentence extended. I can help you today. And let him go. Don't
Wow.
know what he is. Don't become a killer. Please.
No, I didn't kill you.
I have a son too.
Oh, I don't care. And I didn't kill you. And you're the one I agree with wholeheartedly killing. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go.
Shut the fuck up.
There's that comedy I've been waiting for. It was just the most deadpan, but it just came at a perfect moment. The next pig, and the next pig, and the next pig, and the next pig, and the next pig. Like the Oprah Winfrey Show. You get a pig, you get a pig, you get a pig, you get a pig, you get a pig. I know Jeff. I know Jeff, and I'm sorry. Just look away. It's easier if you just don't look. Jeff is the bright spot of this movie because he is so emotionally, he is so emotionally well written. There's a lot of depth to his character. You can tell that he's a good person who's been hurt. And sometimes, in a situation like this with these time limits, that hurt gets the better of him, right? That hurt gets the better of him. But he eventually always comes around to the right side. Am I supposed to go in there? I don't know if I'm going in there. We can free him. Get up! Get up! Oh, I'm getting up out of here. I done freed you. Which means now, Amanda!
All right, John. I feel some pressure.
Jesus. Okay, that wasn't bad. Okay, that wasn't bad. All right, we're not done. Ah! I don't like this squeaky. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm sorry. Y'all stop. Y'all stop. Y'all stop. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I don't like it. It bothers me.
John, how you doing?
Never better.
Never better. Okay. Thank you. Happy you're doing all right, John. Okay. Okay. Don't speed up. Don't speed up.
He's stabilized.
Okay.
John, I need you to raise your hand and flex your fingers.
Oh, thank you, John.
John? John, raise your hand.
John, come back.
Can you hear me? What's happening?
He gone and I'm gone, girl. You crying. You yelling. You act like you finna explode. He just needed some oxygen. He just needs some oxygen. Who are you? Amanda, if you don't shut up.
Stay with me, John.
Oh, John had a life.
Where's John?
What? What are you doing? What are you doing? So we stop cutting where it's visible. He knows too, doesn't he? He knows. You can't get nothing by him. So we stop cutting where it's visible. Why are we doing this, Amanda? What happened?
His left leg in the shackle.
Oh, I can't forgive you, Amanda girl. You killed Adam. You kidnapped him, so you killed him. So did they shoot this for Saw 1 or did they just now shoot this? They could have just now shot this for this Saw 3, which means technically we sorta, maybe we gotta Leigh Whannell return for Saw 3, but I can't tell if it's him. I don't even know if he's still writing the films. Probably is. I don't know who would write a franchise this great and just give up on it. John Carpenter. I'm sorry. No, I'm just playing. Y'all know me and Carpenter. That's my boy right there. Oh, this music, this build up with the music. Game over. Oh, I just got taken back. Oh, Saw 1 was so good. So you've been here from the very beginning, Amanda. Good to know. Oh, Lord. We back here. Oh, this is Amanda with when she came back. Okay. A lot of flashback. You know, honestly, I'll say this, and I don't know if it's true or not. I want to see who wrote this. I don't know if they had much film in this film. I mean, like much of a script or much of a story. Looks to me like they're relying off of a lot of flashbacks. And then we actually get the main plot for, let's say, maybe 20% of the whole movie. Truthfully. I haven't seen Jeff in a long time. So is she trying to be good? Oh, she's gonna kill him. Oh. That's how Adam died? Did he force her to do this? So she did kill Adam. And not just in an implied manner. Why? Why? I thought this wasn't what you did, Jigsaw. You're killing the man. Blood on your hands indeed. I don't know if they did that intentionally with that shot, but yeah, she got blood on her hands.
Vengeance doesn't solve anything. It only makes the pain greater, Jeff.
I agree, Judge, but it's like you're saying that, but you don't know this pain. And you don't know what your decision making did to enhance that pain. Oh my. Oh my. What the? Yeah, buddy. It's real.
What the fuck are you doing? Hello, Jeff. If you are listening to this, that means that the confrontation you so long dreamed of is finally unfolding.
That's the killer?
In your head, he is a cipher. A symbol of your life changing.
He's the killer.
With death.
He's the killer.
To you now as a simple human being. His name is Timothy Young. He's 27 years old, a medical student, with a mother and a father just like you. A man whose life also changed the day your son died.
What?
That day he made a terrible mistake.
Oh my. He does feel sympathy though.
He didn't pay for that mistake.
He didn't hit and run.
Chance to make him pay.
He didn't hit and run from the looks.
Strapped to his
Accidents happen.
favorite.
Was he driving negligent?
The human body is a miraculous creation. Are you willing
Have mercy.
to take a bullet for the man who killed your son?
No.
Do unto others as you
No.
want them do unto you.
No.
By here, Jen.
No.
Your choice.
Not at all. No, not at all. The answer is no, Jigsaw. If that's what you were looking for, buddy. Judge! Why did... Yeah, I don't know how we get this key. He gonna have to just die. It's a shotgun! No! Oh my goodness. Now the judge talking all this moral high ground Disney Channel crap, but I ain't seen him reach for the key yet. Matter of fact, I saw you reach for the key and you backed off, cause you know you don't want to take that bullet either. Oh, he done. You got, how about a quick pull? A quick pull. Come on, Jeff. The judge.
Got the key.
Oh! I was just starting to like Judge a little bit till he started trying to act like he was better than somebody. Oh, his head. We can't do the head. We can't do the head. Come on. Oh my goodness, y'all know I hate when y'all take me on these traumatic rides and nobody warned me Saw 3 was gonna be like this. Nobody warned me at all about Saw 3 being on this level.
Wives on their backs in hotel rooms with perfect strangers. People who bear children only to neglect them. Death do us part indeed.
I don't know what you think you know, but my marriage has survived more suffering than someone like you could ever grasp.
Suffering? You haven't seen anything yet.
What are you talking about?
Someone like me, who am I?
A monster? A murderer?
I don't condone murder, and I despise murderers.
Okay.
Please, let me go.
We're fine, Amanda. We don't need you.
Amanda finna get mad. You gonna make Amanda put a bullet in me.
thank me one day, just as Amanda did. Beings.
Wait.
Completed the third test.
Congratulations, Lynn. You're free to go.
Yeah, but he's not all the way out yet.
Undo her collar, Amanda, and let her go.
No, he's not finished.
Undo it!
Not all the way.
Undo it! We don't care.
Lynn is more important than you know. Unlock her collar.
I unlock it. You don't know. Why?
There are rules.
I said no!
I knew she was breaking the rules.
She doesn't deserve to go free.
You promised.
I didn't promise you shit.
Why don't I deserve to go free?
Gun is Lynn, who holds your life in her hand.
Fuck you. You give her control over me? Fuck you!
I won't tell anyone, I promise I won't. Please, I have a family.
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! And stop fucking moving around!
And what about the other test subjects that we left alive?
Game over.
I'll fucking kill you!
She's became John's foot worker. Oh my. Oh. Jesus. Yeah, he's dead. Oh, or not. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? I gotta get a little closer, y'all. I can't see. Ah, he bitter. Oh my God. He's going savage about his son.
Where is he, you junkie bitch?
Beating of all beatings, good Lord. Ugh.
Where is he?
How did Amanda survive this interaction? He had mercy? He had mercy? Nothing about detective. Okay, here we go. She's gonna shoot him.
Fucking here.
My goodness! I was gonna say nothing about Detective Matthews screams of mercy. This is crazy. It feels like the film is trauma dumping us.
You're not Jigsaw,
You're not Jigsaw.
You hear me? You're nothing!
Nothing.
You're not Jigsaw, bitch.
Well, Eric went out like a G.
That's right. I'm a murderer. He took my life from me. So I just returned a fucking favor.
No,
Okay.
Amanda, that's what you thought.
Hmm.
No different.
What?
You left him for dead, didn't you?
You do is no different than murder. You torture people. You watch them die. But now you're begging me not to kill this worthless bitch on the grounds of some game?
You're walking us toward a precipice, Amanda.
She passed the game.
Step back.
It's bullshit. Nobody changes. It's all a lie.
If you fail in this, we all fail. Succeed and we all succeed.
It's a
Exactly.
lie.
It's not. We need you so badly. Cause
Tell you, she hasn't changed. Because nobody fucking changes.
what now?
Time's running out.
Take her collar off, Amanda.
Now you think about what you were doing.
Okay, what is going on? Y'all know Saw love to pop off with the ending.
Everything that you've done. You think about what you promised me. Think about our dreams. You think about tomorrow.
Liz. What? What? Why?
4 lives. We just murdered Jeff's wife.
What? Jeff's wife? Why did she do that?
This was your test. Your game.
And you failed.
What do I want? I want to play a game. You are being tested. Your will is being tested. Your will to keep someone alive. Can you do that? Can
Nope.
you follow the rules?
Nope.
The gift of life.
Nope.
I was testing you. I took you in. You will give everything to me.
Yes.
Every cell in your body.
Yep.
Did you for the honor of carrying on my life's work?
Yep.
But you didn't.
That's right. I'm a murderer.
I despise murderers. You didn't test anyone's will to live.
Game over.
You killed people when they shouldn't have died.
Their only chance.
Yep.
Games were unwinnable.
Yep.
Your subjects merely victims.
Yep.
There is no turning back. Do you understand that?
Wow.
My desperation.
Wow.
I decided to give you one last chance.
I knew she was cheating from the jump.
I put everything in place. I had to leave out the ruined marriage, the cheating wife,
Wow.
the vengeful husband, the
Wow.
neglected daughter. And I let you make your own choices.
Wow.
I wanted you to succeed. Amanda, put it away. Trust me. Even with that gun, it is Lynn who holds your life in her hands.
She's not important to me.
I beg you to reconsider that. Unlock.
Hey, Jeff, move away from Lynn. Collar's about to explode. Can we get a warning, Amanda? Wow. Is that really the game over? She wasn't worthy enough. She didn't have what it took.
Think of your daughter, Jeff. She needs you now more than ever. You can't kill me, Jeff.
I'm already dead. Oh, there's only one bullet too.
Your wife's dying, Jeff. Her time's running out.
You need to get her to the hospital. Yeah, we got a lot to do. Can we get this collar off of her?
Jeff, do not miscalculate. Your fate is in my hands. Your wife's fate is in my hands.
Wow, this is out of this world insane right now.
Though you may not see any threat, there are threats all around you. Stand and face me, Jeff.
Stay with me.
Right now.
I gotta stand and face them.
Your life back.
Not following the rules is not an option.
We can make that happen.
Go. What do I need to do?
Which is it, Jeff? Come on.
Give me the life back.
Yes. What do you want?
One final test. The rules are simple. Over on that table is a host of vicious implements, which you can use to exact your pound of flesh, to take your vengeance, to indulge your obsession. Or
Oh.
you can choose to put your vengeance aside.
Okay.
And you can forgive. You can forgive me for the pain that I've caused you and your wife tonight.
Okay.
Which is it gonna be, Jeff?
What are we gonna do? We gotta do something though. It's going down.
I forgive you.
He done learned the lesson through this all.
Jeff.
No. 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 Jeff. That's it. Jeff's so dumb. Yeah, she just said, I'm dead. She said, I'm dead. She said, let me I'm dead.
Hello, Jeff. I made this tape as an insurance policy.
Wow.
And if you're listening to it, then it's time to collect.
Wow.
I was your final test of
Wow.
forgiveness. And if you are listening to this, then you failed. Now you must pay the price. The price for living for nothing but vengeance. Now I will give you something to live for. I told you that you couldn't kill me, Jeff. But I didn't tell you why.
Why?
It's simple.
Why?
I am the person responsible for the loss of your child. I am the only person who knows where your daughter is. She only has a limited supply of air, Jeff. And if you want to get her back, you'll have to play a game.
What? Every time at the end. Oh, this was never meant to be a trilogy. Whoa. Whoa, there. Okay, Lee and James did return. All right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. That was Saw 3. I wasn't feeling it early on, but as the ending approached, it ramped up as these Saw films normally do. It ramped up, it got much better, it became much more fleshed out. The daughters being kidnapped is crazy. I did not know that they were husband and wife. That even caught me off guard. I knew Amanda was gonna snap. I told y'all Amanda was snapping from the beginning when she killed Carrie. She wasn't following the rules. Buddy who got welded in wasn't following the rules. I knew that wasn't Jigsaw. I knew that was all Amanda. So just a lot that happened in this one. We're definitely watching Saw 4. Hopefully they continue on. Excuse me. But hopefully they continue on with Jeff's story. And I am just excited to continue to watch these Saw films. I think they're great. Tobin Bell. I hate that he's no longer a part of them because I don't know how they make him a part of them, but nothing but flashbacks. And I wonder who's going to take over as Jigsaw. I am thoroughly curious. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what our next film will be, but it'll be here sometime in the next week. And I'll see you guys next time on the Chop Block.